where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. These powerful words by Rabindranath Tagore embody the spirit of our organization. Creating abundance, the head held high way. At Head Held High, we are more than a community organization. We are a movement committed to breaking the cycle of poverty across rural India. Our mission is clear: to empower individuals and communities living below the poverty line, reaching out to the most vulnerable and marginalized. We believe in the power of people to transform their own lives. Through innovative training programs, access to essential resources, and the strength of support networks, we equip them to become agents of change. We are dedicated to building resilient households and fostering sustainable livelihoods.
राजेश जी ने जिस संस्था की स्थापना की उसका नाम है हेड हेल्ड हाई और इस संस्था से सीखे हुए कुछ स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर हमारे पास हैं।
मिस्टर मेघराज मंत्री आउट हियर, जोरदार तालियां फॉर मिस्टर मेघराज मंत्री।
Before joining Head Held High, I was a grazing buffalo in the village and working in a farm and not knowing anything. Even I don't know how to write my name in any language. I never tie a watch. I never know what is a watch and time. I only know two things: sunrise and sunset. Going in the morning, coming in the evening.
आश्चर्य की बात है देवियों सज्जनों, बिल्कुल आश्चर्य की बात है। भैंस चराया करते थे और इनको सिवाय सूर्य उदय और सूर्य अस्त के अलावा और कुछ आता नहीं था। ये अपने आप में एक अजूबा है और इसका श्रेय जाना चाहिए राजेश भट्ट जी।
Make India Capable program is more than just an initiative. It's a transformative journey. At Head Held High, our MIC program is dedicated to empowering the low or unschooled youth of India, unlocking their potential to succeed in work, entrepreneurship, and future education. Our mission is to uplift individuals and communities living below the poverty line, particularly those who are vulnerable and marginalized. Through access to 21st century skilling programs, vital resources, and robust support networks, we empower these youth to become agents of change. They are not just learning skills, they are building resilient livelihoods and advocating for sustainable futures, where every young person has the opportunity to dream big, learn, and lead with confidence. Entrepreneurship is a powerful catalyst for India's economic growth, especially in rural and peri-urban areas where the need for sustainable livelihoods is greatest. Yet, women in these regions often face steep challenges in accessing the training, financial resources, and market opportunities they need to start and grow their businesses. This is where Entrepreneur steps in a beacon of hope and opportunity. We are dedicated to building an inclusive ecosystem that supports first-generation rural women entrepreneurs on their journey towards sustainable livelihoods and regular incomes. By providing essential training, financial access, and market linkages, we empower these women to build and sustain their businesses organically. Through Entrepreneur, these women become more than just business owners, but they become champions of change, driving our mission to uplift marginalized communities. Together, we are creating a ripple effect of empowerment and resilience, ensuring that every woman has the opportunity to thrive, lead, and transform her community. Join us in supporting these incredible women as they rise, build, and inspire a brighter future for all. Economic resilience is the key to thriving, not just surviving. At Head Held High, we empower communities to regenerate, prosper, and improve when faced with challenges. Through smart financial management, resource conservation, and income diversification, we help build stronger households. By fostering social cohesion and risk pooling, we create networks of mutual support that protect against setbacks. This approach ensures that communities not only resist failure, but recover and enhance their performance. Together, we are building a future where every family can rise stronger, overcome adversity, and thrive with resilience. Through our Future Ready guidance initiatives, youth from marginalized areas overcome barriers that limit their potential and future. At Head Held High, we believe every young person deserves the chance to thrive, regardless of their background. To bridge this gap, we offer a holistic approach, providing career information, social emotional learning, and skill development for job readiness. we equip youth with the tools they need to succeed in the 21st century. With personalized career guidance, we help each young person unlock their potential and discover their path, ensuring no dream goes unfulfilled. Together, we are empowering tomorrow's leaders to rise, achieve, and lead with confidence,